So this is the new board. It's a lot beefier, much bigger. It has the Gen 2 for the M.2, or I get Gen 4 for the M.2, my mistake. And it's got PCIe Gen 4, so that's faster than the Gen 3 I had previously. So, yeah, time to get this installed. So right here we have this cover. Basically what this is a thermal pad so the M.2 drive doesn't overheat. It basically acts as a natural cooling solution, or built-in cooling. Okay. CPU, we don't want to do too much or too little. If we do too much, if you ever need to replace it, which you should every couple months or to a year, it will dry and you'll rip your CPU out of your socket. But if you do too little, then your CPU is going to burn up or get really hot and won't perform very well. So what you do is you drop this on here, move it around a little bit, you pull it up, and you can see covers most of this area and most of that. Might need a little more. If you put too much, it will never come off without ripping it out. It's not working. Come on. Okay, that's fine. If you put too much, it will never come off. But I've said 400 times. And then I dropped the thing right on my computer. Okay. So, just like that. So I got everything else put together right now. Took me a while to get this figured out. I had the one of the mounts upside down, not these U-looking brackets, but the actual part that screws into those brackets was upside down. So that took me a minute to figure out. Big brain. But anyway, now we're just on to putting the RAM in. And I want to make sure I do this the right way. Okay, pull that out. Okay. Okay. There it is, put back together. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna go test it. Call it a day. Alright, so I just plugged it in and turned it on like immediately. So let's see what happens here. Hopefully everything still works because that took forever. Excuse the airsoft gun. See, it's airsoft, not real. We were using that for an upcoming project. Okay. Oh, we got a signal coming in here. Oh, maybe not. Come on, computer, you can do it. Oh, it's doing it. It's doing something. Did I plug in the fan? I did. It is getting power. Oh, there it goes. F1 to run setup. I wonder if I plug my keyboard in. Everything's lighting up. Keyboard just lit up. Oh, there it goes. It might be booting already. I don't think I hit the BIOS key in time. Oh. Focus. Okay, well, we made it to Windows. Pin no longer available due to change the security settings. Click to set up your pin again. Okay. Ooh, that was loud. Okay. I'm gonna quick type in my password. Yep, I gotta approve the sign in. Okay, I approved the sign in. Let's continue. Set up my PIN. Okay, shut up, computer. Sign in. Okay. Let's do my password for that. Let's see. That's not what I want. Am I still activated? Yep. Okay. Check this. Performance. 16 core. It's recognizing all my memory. GPU. I do need to go into the UEFI settings though and make sure it goes to 3200 megahertz. I want to see if virtualization is enabled. I have a feeling it's not. I'm not sure. I'm going to restart, go into the BIOS, and make sure all my settings are good. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.